Hi everyone, today I've got for you some cute little Disney Mickey and Minnie toys. This little Minnie, she's posed in a seated position. She's got her big pink pumps with bows on, her pink and white polka dot dress. I guess you could call these cake toppers, but I think they're more of just like play toys or display figures. This one is marked Disney, Anoka, Minnesota, made in China, and it's got a number on the bottom that I'll put in the comments. It's a DecoPac Inc. I think the DecoPacs were all intended to be cake toppers. She's really cute. I love her in her little pink and white polka dot outfit. She sits at about 2.5 inches tall. Then this little Mickey is a wind-up toy. Let's see if he has any markings. Walt Disney Productions, Tomy, made in China. I did a color restoration on him, but it looks like I forgot to do the back, so I'll have to fix that up. But check out my video on that. I use acrylic markers, and his face had a lot of black scratching on it, so I blended it in better with a flesh-toned marker. But let's see what he does when he winds up. He's cute. He can walk around. He can walk over to Minnie. Okay. He's about just a little over 3 inches tall. I think he's vintage. I'm going to say that he's probably from the 90s, maybe 80s. I'm guessing that based on the marking at the bottom. The Walt Disney is in kind of like a script lettering. Walt Disney Productions, and then there's Tomy on this side. The Mickey is a very hard plastic. The Minnie is more of a resin plastic, but I think they look really cute together. I hope you like them. If you do, please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.